The latest chapter for Mercedes-Benz has officially arrived, and it happened on American soil. At the Tuscaloosa, Alabama plant, the brand pulled the covers off the updated 2027 GLE and GLS, marking an important moment not just for the vehicles, but for the company's presence in the United States. There is something meaningful about unveiling these models where they are built. The Tuscaloosa facility has been producing sport utility vehicles for 30 years, and it recently hit a major milestone with 5 million units produced. That alone tells you how important this location is, both to the brand and to the global market. The new GLE and GLS move things forward in a noticeable way. They feel more refined, more confident, and more connected to the driver. Mercedes-Benz is clearly leaning into comfort and technology here, but without losing that solid, planted driving feel people expect from these models. The GLS still carries that S-Class of sport utility vehicles reputation, while the GLE continues to be the versatile option that fits into everyday life a little easier. For those who want something sportier, the GLE Coupe brings a more aggressive look and driving character. There was also plenty of attention on performance, especially with the introduction of the AMG GLE 53 hybrid. It blends power with electrification in a way that feels like a natural evolution rather than a forced transition. This is where performance and efficiency are starting to meet in a way that actually makes sense.